Dogecoin cost essentially equivalent to $0.0918 a coin, which sort of is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.0878 0.0923, or so they in a real sense thought. The earlier day close, 0.0880, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change for the most part was plus 0.0038, plus 4.32% in an essentially enormous way. Reverse rate, USD to Doge, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $0.082, kind of most extreme 0.088, especially least 0.076 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, April 24, cost $0.084, really greatest 0.090, essentially least 0.078, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.085, really greatest 0.091, in every practical sense, least 0.079. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.086, all things considered, greatest 0.092, truly least 0.080. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.086, lovely most extreme 0.092, exceptionally least 0.080, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $0.087, exceptionally most extreme 0.093, by and large least 0.081 in an especially significant manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.091, beautiful greatest 0.097, most certainly least 0.085, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.090, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.096, essentially least 0.084 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.089, exceptionally most extreme 0.095, really least 0.083, which basically is very huge. In about 14 days Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.091, most certainly greatest 0.097, extremely least 0.085 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $0.093, most extreme 0.100, kind of least 0.086, showing that Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $0.082, especially greatest 0.088, especially least 0.076 in a quite huge way. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 8, cost $0.092, exceptionally greatest 0.098, most certainly least 0.086 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.089, most extreme 0.095, least 0.083 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.082, really most extreme 0.088, by and large least 0.076. So today, exchange cost range, 0.0878 0.0923 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.080, especially most extreme 0.086, really least 0.074, which certainly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $0.093, in every practical sense, greatest 0.100, extremely least 0.086, which in a real sense is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.093, by and large most extreme 0.100, certainly least 0.086, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.090, truly most extreme 0.096, in every practical sense, least 0.084, or so they essentially thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.096, really greatest 0.103, kind of least 0.089 in a kind of large manner. In about a month, Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.100, kind of greatest 0.107 in every practical sense, least 0.093, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.098, certainly greatest 0.105, sort of least 0.091, which for the most part is very critical. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost $0.100, most extreme 0.107, essentially least 0.093, which sort of is genuinely critical. USD to Doge conversion scale commonly equivalent to 10.8944 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S-reach 108354113960, showing how the change especially was plus 0.0038, plus 4.32%, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby 11.3675, exhibiting how Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.089, exceptionally most extreme 0.095, really least 0.083. Change for now 0.4731, 4.16%, which especially is very huge. USD to Doge cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a kind of huge manner. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 12.195 coins, especially most extreme 13.158, certainly least 11.364 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Doge expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 11.905 coins, most certainly greatest 12.821, exceptionally least 11.111, showing how backwards rate, USD to Doge, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost 11.765 coins, exceptionally most extreme 12.658, truly least 10.989. USD to Doge forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 11.628 coins, for the most part greatest 12.500, lovely least 10.870 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost 11.628 coins, especially most extreme 12.500, beautiful least 10.870 and in every practical sense, significant way. USD to Doge expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 11.494 coins, sort of greatest 12.346, certainly least 10.753, so Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 12, cost $0.093, sort of most extreme 0.100, by and large least 0.086 and in every practical sense, enormous way. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 10.989 coins, essentially most extreme 11.765, really least 10.309. Genuinely further appearance how USD to Doge conversion standard truly equivalent to 10.8944 coins per $1, which certainly is very critical. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 11.111 coins, certainly greatest 11.905, exceptionally least 10.417, which especially shows that Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, especially in opposition to mainstream